Scotsman residential model SCN60 uses a non-metallic top bearing that requires regular inspection. If excessive wear has been identified, the bearing will need to be replaced. Tools required for this job are a Phillips head screwdriver, a new bearing, 2 wrenches, and a bearing puller comprised of the following supplies: a 3-inch 3/8 inch steel nipple, a 1-inch to 3/4 inch reducing coupling, a 3/8 inch bolt at least 6 inches long, 2 large washers, and a nut. Start by shutting off the water supply. Disconnect the power supply or unplug the machine. An ice machine installed under a counter will need to be removed so that the top panel can be taken off to access the extruder and bearing assembly. Unscrew and remove the top panel. Remove the ice chute and bin wall by unscrewing the 2 thumb screws and lifting it out of the machine. Rotate the ice sweep counterclockwise and remove. Remove the ice chute. Remove the 4 hex head screws holding the extruder to the evaporator. Lift the extruder off. Flipping the extruder upside down, place the 3/8 inch nipple in the center hole of the extruder. Put 1 washer on the bolt and slide the reducer over the bolt with the large end facing up. Then, slide the extruder and nipple onto the bolt, followed by the second washer, and finally the remaining bolt. Use 2 wrenches to slowly press out the worn bearing. To install the new bearing, thread the 6-inch bolt as follows: bolt, washer, extruder, new bearing, washer, nut. Slowly tighten the bolts using both wrenches. As you tighten, the bearing will be pressed into the extruder. Continue to tighten until the washer is flush with the top of the extruder. Finally, reassemble the machine.